In this video, I will be showing you how to give access to your Pure UVC system to another. If you're trying to gain access, then please watch the video for that. There will be a link in the comment section below. Otherwise, I'm here in my zone screen and I'm going to click on the three-lined button at the top left. From here, I'll find the zone that I'd like to share and click on the ellipsis button. Click Network Management. And I have the option, being the owner of this network, to add a sub-user or to add an installer. Add installers if you are a contractor and you are sharing the duties of commissioning a system. Add sub-users if you are a user and you're adding others to use the system. In this example, I'm going to use the Add Sub-User button. And this is what needs to be shared. Either the code above can be shared directly to a colleague, or the QR code can be scanned. You can take a screenshot and share it via email. You can also go phone to phone and let the person gain access from it. Okay, that's it for this video. Enjoy your Pure UVC system.